So dew is this interesting thing that forms early in the morning in the warmer months in my country. So in the summer, when you get up early in the morning, everything is actually a little bit wet. Dew forms because of the temperature differences between the earth and the air, and water comes out of the air and forms on plants and leaves and those kinds of things. So it's really cool when you can see the dew. It's actually annoying as well because if you go for a walk early in the morning in the summer when there's lots of dew, your shoes and feet get very, very wet. So yes, the dew. And then there's frost. So frost is something that is similar to dew, except it is actually frozen because it's so cold outside. We generally only have frost in the fall, and then we have frost again in the spring, like more than once, but usually around late September, early October in my part of the world. When you get up in the morning, there will be frost. So things will have a small layer of frozen water on them. It's basically frozen dew, I think. And then also in May, when temperatures are going above zero during the day and like close to zero or slightly below at night, we will have frost in the morning. You might have to even clean your car windows because they will have frost on them. Thunder and lightning. So when I was a kid, I always loved thunderstorms. I liked hearing thunder and seeing lightning. A lot of times we would try to guess how far away a storm was. If we saw the lightning, we would count like 1001, 1002. And then when we heard the thunder, we would say, oh, the storm is 2 kilometers away. I don't know if there's any truth to that, but as a kid, we often would watch we would watch lightning and hear thunder. So again, lightning is an electrical release between a cloud and the ground, or a cloud and another cloud, and it shows up as a giant spark in the sky. There's a lot of energy in a lightning strike. So here you see lightning. This actually looks like an AI picture, I think. I'm not sure. Maybe it's real. But you see lightning, and then a little while later you will hear thunder because the lightning strike, I think it does something to the air that causes it to, does lightning split the air? This is not a science lesson, but after lightning you will hear thunder. And it's cool. It's quite amazing. Okay, different types of rain. You could say it's spitting. This is when it's just raining a little bit, okay? So you go outside, you don't need an umbrella when it's spitting. It simply means if you looked at a puddle like this, you would see a few raindrops hitting it. If it's spitting outside, I will go outside with my camera and make an English lesson. I'm not worried at all. When it's spitting, I don't need an umbrella. I don't even really need a jacket. I could easily walk to my car and it wouldn't be a problem. I wouldn't get wet. When it's drizzling, it's raining a little bit more. So spitting, tiny bit of rain, drizzling, a little more rain. Usually the raindrops are quite small when it's drizzling, but it's definitely a little more rain than spitting. You might need an umbrella if it's drizzling outside. And then we have light showers. When you have light showers, it's definitely raining. It's not like a downpour or something where you would get soaking wet walking from a building to your car. But definitely light showers means it's raining. Like I would say on a scale of 1 to 5, this is a 3. So 1 is like spitting, 2 is drizzling, 3 is light showers. And then this is a 5. I guess there's no 4 on my scale. It's pouring. When it's pouring, you need an umbrella. When it's pouring, even if you have an umbrella, you will probably still get a little bit wet. That's generally how it works when it's raining that hard. And of course, we have what's called a thunderstorm. So a thunderstorm is a cloud system, a weather system that brings with it lightning and thunder. So in the summer, we sometimes will have a thunderstorm at night. It actually sounds like someone stomping on the roof of my house sometimes when we have a thunderstorm. But these are fun to watch. Sometimes we'll stand in the barn and we will watch a thunderstorm roll in, and we'll watch the lightning, and then eventually it will start. Eventually it will be pouring and lots of rain will be coming down. But yes, thunderstorms. I think I like thunderstorms. So snowstorm, thunderstorm, those are good. I like them. A blizzard.